How to fix Facebook Messenger messages in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and then go back to the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to the messenger, click on force stop. After that, go to the data usage and make sure to enable every single option right here. After that, go back again to the settings, click on wireless and networks and disable the airplane mode. After that, all what you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you have a problem in the network that you are connected to. So please try to change the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you are using. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.